Look, Max, the pet shop is open.
It is a very big shop. I smell hay and fish.
I am so excited. Today is the day.
Are you sure? A pet is a big responsibility.
Yes, I am ready. My house is too quiet.
My house is quiet too. A pet is a good friend.
Look at the entrance. There is a giant fish tank.
The fish are orange and blue. They are beautiful.
Fish are nice, but I want something to pet.
I agree. I want a soft and warm friend.
Let us go inside. Where should we start?
Let us look at the small animals first.
Like hamsters or rabbits.
Yes, hamsters are very funny. They run in wheels.
But hamsters sleep during the day.
That is true. We want a friend for the evening.
What about a rabbit? They have long ears.
Rabbits are cute, but they need a lot of space.
You are right. Our flats are not very big.
Look at that shelf. It has many colorful toys.
The toys are for dogs and cats.
Maybe we should look at the dogs now?
Dogs are great, but we work all day.
A dog will be lonely at home. That is sad.
We need a pet that likes to be alone sometimes.
That sounds like a cat.
I love cats. They are very independent.
And they are very clean. They wash themselves.
Let us go to the cat section, Max.
I'm coming. I'm curious.
Aw, Max, look at these puppies.
They are so small. They look like potatoes.
Sweet, fluffy potatoes.
This brown one is sleeping. It is so peaceful.
And this white one is jumping. It wants to play.
Hello, little friend. Do you want a ball?
Puppies have so much energy. They never stop.
They need 3 walks every day.
That is a lot of walking, even in the rain.
I don't like running in the rain.
Me neither. But look at his little tail.
It is moving very fast. He is happy to see us.
Puppies are amazing, but they are a lot of work.
They chew on shoes and furniture too.
My favorite shoes? Oh no, I can't have that.
My sofa is new. I want to keep it.
So a puppy is not for us today.
Maybe in the future, when we have a big garden.
A garden is perfect for a big dog.
For now, let us be realistic.
I agree. Let us stay focused on our plan.
Goodbye, puppies. Stay good.
They're looking at us. It is so hard to leave.
Be strong, Anna. We are going to the cats.
Okay, I'm moving.
Do you see the kittens over there?
Where? Oh, I see them now.
There are 3 of them, gray, black, and white.
They're tiny. Let us take a closer look.
This is going to be difficult. They are all cute.
Look at this gray one. It has blue eyes.
It is very beautiful, but it is very shy.
It is hiding behind the blanket.
What about the black kitten? It is very active.
It is chasing its own tail. That is so funny.
And look at the white one. It is looking at you, Anna.
Hello, little one. You are very pretty.
It is putting its paw on the glass.
Can we hold it? I want to feel its fur.
Let us ask the shop assistant.
Oh, it is so soft, like a cloud.
It is very warm, and it is purring.
Can you hear that? Purr, purr, purr.
It likes you, Anna. It is licking your finger.
Max, hold it. It is very light.
Wow, it is like a little ball of silk.
I think this is the one, the white kitten.
It is a very friendly cat. It is perfect for us.
Does it have a name, or should we choose one?
The card says Snow, but we can change it.
Snow is a good name because it is white.
Or maybe Cloud or Sugar.
I like Snow. It is simple and sweet.
Okay, Snow it is. Welcome to the family, Snow.
We need a lot of things for a kitten.
A bed, a bowl, and some food.
And a litter box. That is very important.
And toys. Snow needs to play.
Let us go to the cat aisle.
I have the list in my head. Let's go.
Max, wait. Look at the birds.
They are very loud. What a noise.
But look at the colors. Yellow, green, and blue.
This parrot is looking at me.
Maybe it can talk. Say hello, Max.
Hello? Hello, bird.
It is not talking today.
A bird is nice, but it stays in a cage.
Yes, I want a pet that can sit on the sofa with me.
A bird is a bit messy, too. Seeds everywhere.
You are right. Snow is a better choice for us.
Look at that big parrot. It has a giant beak.
It looks a bit scary. I prefer the small ones.
Singing birds are lovely in the morning.
But not at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Good point. I like to sleep late on Saturdays.
Snow will sleep with us.
Cats are the best roommates.
Let us leave the birds. They are too noisy for me.
Agreed. Back to our shopping list.
We need a carrier to take Snow home.
There are plastic ones and fabric ones.
A plastic one is easy to clean.
I will take a blue one. It's a nice color.
And I will find a very soft blanket.
Snow needs to be comfortable.
This blanket is pink. It is perfect for the carrier.
Okay, we have the carrier. Now the food.
The food is in the next aisle. There are so many types of cat food.
Dry food or wet food? Which is better?
The assistant says both. Dry for teeth, wet for health.
I will take a big bag of dry food.
And I will take 10 cans of fish flavor.
Look at these bowls. They have pictures of fish on them.
They are very cute. I will take 2, 1 for water.
We need a scratching post too.
Yes, or Snow will scratch your new sofa, Max.
This one is tall. It has a little ball.
It is perfect. Snow can climb and play.
I am putting it in the cart. It is heavy.
Now, the most important thing, the litter box.
Here they are. This one has a roof.
A roof is good. It keeps the smell inside.
And we need the litter. This bag is 10 kilograms.
You are strong, Max. You can carry it.
Okay, I am a strong man for Snow.
Don't forget the toys. A laser pointer?
Yes, cats love chasing the red dot.
And this feather on a stick. It is very fun.
Our cart is completely full.
It looks like we are having a baby.
A furry white baby with whiskers.
I am so happy we are doing this together.
Me too, Anna. It is a big day for us.
Let us go to the cashier. Snow is waiting.
I can see her from here. She is sleeping again.
She is a professional sleeper.
Just like me on Sundays.
Hello. We want to buy the white kitten and all these things.
I have my credit card ready.
I am holding Snow very carefully.
She is so quiet. Is she okay?
Yes, she is just very calm. She's a good girl.
The cashier is scanning the food. Beep, beep, beep.
The scratching post is the most expensive thing.
It is okay. It is for the sofa's protection.
You are very worried about your sofa.
It was very expensive, Anna.
Don't worry, Snow will be a good cat.
I hope so. I have the receipt now.
Put the food and toys in the bags, Max.
I am putting them in now. We have 4 bags.
And the carrier. I will put Snow inside now.
Softly, softly. There she is.
She is looking through the little door.
She is safe and warm in her new blanket.
We are ready to go home.
Do we have the car keys?
Yes, they are in my pocket.
Great. I will carry the heavy bags.
And I will carry our new friend.
It is a beautiful afternoon. The sun is shining.
Today is the start of a new life.
A life with Snow.
Thank you for helping me choose, Max.
It was my pleasure, Anna. We are a good team.
Let's go home and give Snow some dinner.
To the car. Let's go.